Howdy, hooty, hoo. I wanted to bring you the English Rose Exfoliator. This is not timely due to the Megan interview, but I am happy to support your skin benefits like royal treatment and give a review about how this delicious exfoliator just is a whole spa treatment in itself. I don't know how often I've been using it because I'm more consistent than I've ever been with an exfoliator, to be honest. Using my way with words too, because one of my favorite songs is on. I'm gonna jam it out with you guys. So it's super light, super. It's got little micrograms. It kind of feels like a little bit of a salt. And I've been using it on my skin about once a week, twice a week after I'm doing the eye. Eye repair comes after, but after I'm doing my my clean off of all the rest of my makeup. And right now I just have it on a dry hand, but as you can tell, it's kind of got this like little grainy feel to it. It's got a really subtle rose scent to it, and all the ingredients in it are botanical. So it's going on to sensitive skin. It won't cause many major irritations. Of course, you always want to test in your own little sections before applying through the rest of your skin. We're working at 15% off. It's $33.95. The exfoliator that I used to use was running at $45. So this is a nice adjustment for my dollar budget, and I'm getting a lot more bang for my buck. I'm gonna keep applying this on. I've been seeing progress within my eyes. Now, whether that's just the eye repair that I've been using or the lack of wrinkles are coming from the combination, their company is one that I'm really finding a lot of trust in. I got to talk with them on the phone and have a full interview with the owner about how I'm actually rubbing this into my hand and it's just kind of going in there. I've never used this as like a lotion before. I'll do a washout later, but as you can tell, it's got this nice soft appeal to it. If you have any questions about the product, let me know. I tend to get breakouts. My skin can get really oily around my eyes. So I try to keep minimal processes there with, amount of rubbing in right there. But I haven't noticed a single breakout after I'm using this, thankfully. It's really just been this nice little self-care ritual that I'm giving myself. Derm.one is trusted. They are going through rigorous amounts of cosmetic testing to make sure that you're getting the best ingredients that are vegan, organic, clean. It's hard to say organic within the cosmetic world because that is such a branded word, but just check out their website. They have tons of information about what you can be looking for, how you can use this stuff, the ingredients that are involved, the glossary. They have tons of reviews. Let's see. They are letting you know exactly what every single ingredient is, how it's used. They have a return policy of up to 60 days. And they inform you about what not to put into your products, what to be aware of any other products that you have been using. They sent me this awesome booklet with it. And let's see, they have free shipping as well. Super pumped. No pun intended. You get your own little like pump container. And yeah, check it out. They're a fantastic brand. Why not support your skin the way that you would support your health of your diet? What's up, BT Dubs? Good to see you. So whether you're working with rough skin or if you've been dealing with skin sensitivities like I have, this has been going a long way to help clean up those impurities. I'm having no breakouts within my nose. I tend to get a lot of blackheads or whiteheads around my cycle. Just finished my cycle. I made sure to stay pretty regimented this time with both the products. So I just did a video on the eye repair. Check that out. And I use that right after I'm done with this. I use that morning and night. Super pumped. They just have really quality ingredients. So I wonder why the product isn't for you, because even if you are a man, to be able to use this within like getting into the texture, let's say you have a beard, I would actually suggest that you would use an exfoliant so that you can clean out anything stuck within your pores. Let me know why that hasn't worked for you. I can also talk to the owners and figure out a product that would work. Um, they're so great for the information. This product might be not be right for you, but they have a whole line of things that are regimented between men and women. They have when I was speaking to him, they're working with clients as well that are dealing with chronic acne, dealing with people who have had challenges within their own skins. So this isn't just for women. I hear often through my girlfriends, I'm using Rose Exfoliator, all these things. Well, Rose actually has rosehip in it and has the different structures that can help support your skin repair. So if you're dealing with any chronic things like that, I'm not an esthetician, but I can just know through my own explorations that whenever you are using products, I don't know, women's faces might be more gentle, but I'm not saying that yours isn't. I'm going to talk myself in a hole here. Don't be deterred from maybe this product, but check out the rest. derm.one has a whole line of goodies. And if you wanted to drop in, I can find out something that would work good for your skin, or you could just hit up their website. They have a whole line of stuff that's fantastic. I don't see why this wouldn't work out for you. Hit me up right here. It's really good to see commentary on here too. It feels very connected, and I love that. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day. 15% off. It's $33.95. Thank you guys for joining on. I'll talk to you later.